welcome back to my vlog. So I'm vlogging right now because we are again going to a concert. So I'm going to any of the concert, and I'm currently waiting for the bus, and I have to go to Kennedy Station and pick up my friend and go to Union Station with her. But I'm kind of late, so like my bus still not there, and I'm supposed to be there with her, and it's kind of really hot. So yeah. So it turned out to be we are earlier than her, so I have to wait till she comes. So she has to drop her brother, and my other friend is already at the concert. I know she is waiting, and we are actually in Kennedy Station. To get to Union Station, it's gonna be taking probably like an hour.
Hi guys. So I am one of Usha's pretty friends.
So this is Harini. She is the one we were waiting for 2 hours, right? So she is finally here.
Yeah.
So we are on our way to Union Station.
Yeah, I made it through the jungle, the mountain, and everything.
Yes, to see the Anirudh, right?
Yes.
And she doesn't even like brown dude. Guys, look this. We found something special here. And same hand too. Literally on the same place. What is this?
I don't know. We are meant to know each other.
Look at this. Show me the hand. Yeah. You guys seeing this? It's wow. Hello.
Hey.
Hi guys. So come here. So we are all back. So we are still wait. So we are still waiting for Anirudh to come, and
he's gonna come here and take you to the concert.
shut up.
You're waiting to do it all.
So we ended up being earlier than late.
We don't speak about early, okay? You're late.
So hi.
Hey.
So how are you excited for concert?
I am.
So there's actually more people there, but we are on the corner right now, so I can't show all the people. Yeah. So they finally opened the door. We are excited to go. Yeah, we got in, guys. We got in. Yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
So we actually went upstairs. So we have to go back down. Everywhere there's random couple doing random shit. It's like you guys don't have a room or what? What, right, Juhi?
Yes. Please.
Please.
Let single people live.
Yeah. But yes, let single people live. So we are in, and as you guys can see, so that's my two friends here.
Are being served, but before that,
Oh yeah.
come inside, settle down. What's up, I want to see everybody's hand up now. Let's go. That's right.
Okay, for the next 40 minutes, I asked you twice already. When Yerani Kuntalama!
bike பண்ணாயேரோ கேரக்கே டரா 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 பைக் காத கேரக்கே நீயும் தும்பிட்டா பைக் பண்ணாயேரோ கேரக்கே இன்ஸ்டால மத்தலோ பாடி பாலலா தவே பாலோ நமசதலா சுகதலலா நோடி பேரு போட்டா மாரதா கேரக்கே பிச்சே கேரோ லைக் சாரதா கர்புலா கபியா உம்மா கர்புலா கபியா
Everybody here, thank you. All my lovely neighbors up front, up to the back.
Okay, hey guys, so the concert is done. Hi. Hello. Okay, the concert is done. How was the concert?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
100 out of 100.
Yeah. What about you?
Yo, listen to me.
What about you? What did you rate the concert?
And also 8.5.
Yeah. Okay, so 9 out of 10, but it's so late now. So that's it. So signing off, Usha.
Yogi. Raji. Harini.
And we'll see you guys in next vlog. Bye bye.